Thermal emergency. Thermal or heat emergency fall into three categories of increasing severity: heat cramps, heat exhaustion, heat stroke. Heat emergency are caused by prolonged exposure to extreme heat. First है heat stroke. Heat stroke is defined as increase in body temperature that exceed 41 degree centigrade or 1.4 degree Fahrenheit with lack of sweating associated with mental confusion. Causes of heat stroke: virus, exercise, dehydration, too much direct exposure to the sun, high temperature, obesity, diabetes, birth defect with absence of sweat gland. Signs and symptoms: intense thirst, dehydration, weakness, discomfort, anxiety, headache, dizzy. Second है heat exhaustion. Heat exhaustion is less dangerous than heat stroke, cause being dehydration age under 5 years, obesity, pregnancy, hypertension. इसका sign and symptoms: heavy sweating, fatigue, headache, pale skin, thirst, dizziness, nausea and vomiting. Third है heat cramps. Heat cramps are the most common but least serious heat injury. Heat cramps are strong muscles contraction. Causes: heat stroke causes severe fluid and electrolyte loss, especially sodium. Signs and symptoms of heat cramps: rapid heart rate, hot sweaty skin, dizziness, drowse, nausea and vomiting. Emergency care procedure. First है remember heat stroke is a life-threatening emergency and require rapid action. Second, repeatedly cool of the victim in any manner possible. Get victim out of sun into a cool area. Remove clothing and wrap with wet towel or sheet if possible. If cold packs or ice pack are available, pack one under each armpit, behind each knee, one on the groin area, one on each wrist and one on each side of the neck. 6. The patient clothes have to be loosened so as to allow active air circulation. 7. Body and limb have to be massaged in order to improve the blood circulation with body. 8. Do not give victim anything by mouth. 9. Provide victim high concentration of oxygen. Shock is treated by supplying the body with sufficient fluid and by administering drug.